So I'm going to show you the proper way to clean and sanitize a table. You want to start with your cleaning agent. You can use soapy water or you can use an EPA approved cleaner. Just spray the table. Get some paper towels. Wipe down the table. And this process creates friction on the table that will bring the dirt and germs to the surface of the table. And next we want to rinse the table. And this is just plain water. We do this so there's not a soapy residue. And again, just wipe down with paper towels. And that completes the cleaning process. So now we'll sanitize. And it's the same process. You want to spray. Now this is a bleach water solution, but you can also use any EPA approved sanitizer. And once you've sprayed, we need to let it sit according to the manufacturer's instructions. And then when it's done sitting, you get your paper towels and dry it off again. Also, when you spray the sanitizer, you want to make sure that there are no children close by. We don't want them to touch it or inhale any of the fumes. So once that's dried off, you can throw your paper towel away, and then you're all done.